With wireless communication, using the electromagnetic spectrum to move information from point to point. But there's another opportunity to use wireless technology, and that's to use it to transmit energy, to deliver power from one point to another. What if we could transmit power as easily as we transmit information? Well, it turns out that there's been some recent progress in this area, and we thought we'd show you an example of wireless power transmission. So here's our own Nikola Tesla Allenson sample. Come on out, Allenson.
So I'm an intern at Intel Research Seattle and a grad student at the University of Washington's engineering department.
This is becoming the all-intern keynote. Well, it's great to have you here. What have you been doing this summer?
So let me show you my project here. So this is we call it World Wireless Resonant Energy Link, and the motivation here is to transfer large amounts of energy through the air. So
looks like something out of a Frankenstein movie.
Right, great. So on this side we have a transmitter. It's a thin design here. We have this drive loop and this resonant coil. On the receive side here we have a resonant coil. It's the receiver. It's smaller, a little bit more like a laptop form factor, and this light bulb.
Okay, so we're going to transmit power from that antenna to this antenna.
Right. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the magnetic field. So we're going to charge up these coils and transfer magnetic energy across. And this is not like inductive coupling where the efficiency drops off with distance. This is nice because there's a constant efficiency for creating distance and then drops off. So that's the exciting new part here, that you can have efficient.
And what's the hardware you got kind of sitting over there?
So we have a signal generator and an amplifier. So
Just a big power amplifier.
Yep.
So how much power are we going to dump into this?
All right, so let's see here. We're going to turn this guy on. So we're going to let this light bulb warm up for a second here. Tune it up. And so now we're transferring about 60 watts through the air, about 75% efficiency over about 2 feet.
60 watts at 75%.
Right, so that's more efficient than a lot of wall wars. So to show this is wireless, and we can bring this out here and put it back in. The light bulb warms up.
Nothing up your sleeve?
Nothing up my sleeve. We can move it around in space here.
Fantastic. So, I mean, this is a nice demonstration, but what's a practical application?
Right. So what you need to do is figure out like form factors that are usage models that are nice. So like, for instance, laptop designs. So this could fit in front of your laptop, so you can have a smart work environment or wireless USB devices, these sort of things.
So whenever I get my laptop or cell phone sort of near one of these power transmitters, charges right up.
Exactly.
Okay. Well, that's an amazing technology. I guess something we can look forward to in the next 40 years.
Right.
All right. Thanks for being here.
Thanks.
A Lancet sample, everybody.